Traveling in a fried out country on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, "Do you come from the land down under? Women glow and then thunder. Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover." Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, "Do you speak of my language?" He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, "I come from a land down under. Beaters flow and then chunder. Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover, yeah." Lying in a den in Bombay, a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, "Are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty." And he said, "I come from a land down under. Women go and men plunder. Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover. This will not be good."